Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on how to become a data analyst. In this video, we'll discuss the steps you need to take to become a successful data analyst and the skills you need to acquire. Step 1. Get a bachelor's degree. The first step to becoming a data analyst is to get a bachelor's degree. A degree in fields such as mathematics, statistics, or computer science can be a great foundation for a career in data analysis. You will learn about data structures, algorithms, and programming languages, which are necessary skills for a data analyst. Step 2. Gain relevant experience. The next step is to gain relevant experience. Internships, co-op positions, or entry-level jobs can be great opportunities to gain experience in the field. Look for positions that will allow you to work with data, analyze data sets, and develop reports. This experience will help you build the skills necessary to become a data analyst. Step 3. Learn programming languages. One of the essential skills for a data analyst is programming. Learn programming languages such as SQL, Python, R, and Java. These languages will help you manipulate data, write scripts, and automate tasks. Learning how to use these languages will help you become a more valuable data analyst. Step 4. Develop analytical and critical thinking skills. Analytical and critical thinking skills are critical for a data analyst. Develop these skills by working on problems that require analysis and critical thinking. Practice making sense of complex data sets, identifying patterns and trends, and presenting your findings in a clear and concise way. Step 5. Stay updated on emerging trends and technologies. The field of data analysis is constantly evolving. Stay updated on emerging trends and technologies by attending conferences, taking online courses, and reading industry publications. This will help you stay relevant in the field and develop new skills as technology advances. Conclusion. In conclusion, becoming a data analyst requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Follow the steps outlined in this video, get a degree, gain relevant experience, learn programming languages, develop analytical and critical thinking skills, and stay updated on emerging trends and technologies. With these skills, you can become a successful data analyst and have a fulfilling career in the field.